A lot of people want to make money selling Canva templates, but most of them overcomplicate the process or choose the wrong type of product to start with. The truth is, there's a much simpler and more profitable way to get started, especially if you're a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create and sell Canva templates on Etsy step by step using one of the easiest and most in-demand template types. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, package, and start selling your own templates. So let's jump right in. First, you need a product to sell. There are a lot of templates you can create, but for this example, we're going to focus on one of the easiest and most profitable options, YouTube thumbnails. Before creating anything, choose a specific niche. This could be business, gaming, education, fitness, or anything you're familiar with. Once you have your niche, the next step is to generate ideas for your thumbnails. Head over to your preferred AI chatbot and ask it to generate prompts for creating 10 YouTube thumbnails based on your chosen niche. If you're not sure how to structure a good prompt, we have a separate video linked in the pinned comments that walks you through that. Once you have your prompts, use an AI image generator to create the thumbnails. If you're already using ChatGPT, you can simply open a new conversation and start generating your images there. After generating all your thumbnails, download them to your device. Next, when I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked. Most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Go to your Canva account, click Create, and search for YouTube thumbnail to open a blank canvas. Upload all the images you generated and resize each one to fit the canvas. Now this is where things get interesting. At this point, they're just images, not templates. To turn them into editable templates, select an image, then go to the floating toolbar and click Edit, then Magic Layers. Canva will automatically break down the image into individual elements, allowing you to edit text, shapes, and other components. Repeat this process for all your thumbnails. Once you're done, click Share and generate a template link. This link allows your buyers to access their own copy of the design without affecting your original file. Now, to deliver your product, create a simple PDF that contains the template link. This will serve as your digital download. When someone purchases your product, they'll receive this file and can instantly access the templates. Finally, head over to Etsy, open your shop, and list your PDF as a digital product. Add a strong title, description, and preview images, then start promoting your product on your social media accounts to drive traffic and generate sales. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a simple but scalable system for selling Canva templates online. In the next videos, we'll break down how to improve your listings, price your templates properly, and stand out in a competitive market So stay tuned if you want to turn this into a real income stream. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.